everybody, my name is Andrea and I am going to present to you the mind maps of Unit 4, Energy. Energy. Energy is the ability to do work. Examples are moving, lighting, heating, and lighting are examples of work. We use energy to light our cities, heat our homes, move our cars, cook our food, play our music, and give us pictures on television. Energy from the sun gives us light and heat. When we eat, our bodies transform the energy stored in our food into energy to do work. Everything we do is connected with energy in one form or another. Energy sources. There are two types of energy sources. Non-renewable energy sources cannot be replaced in a short period of time. These energy sources are fossil fuels, are fossil fuels such as oil, coal and natural gas, and uranium. Renewable sources of energy can be replaced naturally in a short period of time. Traditional examples of these energy sources are sunlight, wind, and water. There are some newer sources of renewable energy, such as biomass, which uses plants and other biological matter to produce energy. Okay, we finished with this mind map. Let's move on to the second mind map. The second mind map is called Types of Energy. Types of energy. Electrical energy is the energy produced by the flow or energy charge, such as the electricity used by washing machines and computers. Chemical energy is the energy produced by fossil fuels and biomass. In our bodies, it is the energy produced by the food we eat. Mechanical energy is the energy produced by things in motion, such as the wind. Thermal energy is the energy released as heat from a stove, for example. Nuclear energy is the energy found in elements such as uranium and plutonium. Light energy is the energy found in light, such as the energy from the sun. Energy conversion. One type of energy can be converted into another type of energy. In a fan, electrical energy is transformed into mechanical energy. At a nuclear power station, nuclear energy is transformed into electrical energy. In a bulb, electrical energy is converted into light energy and thermal energy. In a car engine, chemical energy is transformed twice. Into thermal energy, the engine becomes warm, and into mechanical energy, the cars move. Okay, we finished with the second mind map. Let's move on to the third mind map. Okay, everyone, this is the third mind map. Let's continue. Light is a form of energy which enables us to see. Light moves very rapidly at 300,000 kilometers per second. It travels in all directions, but always in a straight line. Thus, if light meets an obstacle, the obstacle blocks it and a shadow is formed. Objects and light. Transparent objects or substances, such as a glass and air, allow light to pass. Translucent objects, such as a thin piece of paper, allow some light to pass. Opaque objects, such as a book or a pencil, absorb or reflect light. Reflection. When light hits an opaque object, it is reflected and takes direction. This is called reflection. Reflect line enables us to see. We can see the moon when it reflects light from the sun. Light and colors. What light is made up of infinite colors. In a rainbow, white light is separated into different colors. The color of an object is the color of the light which the object reflects. For example, a blue object absorbs every color of light except blue and reflects blue light into our eyes. Refraction. When light passes through one transparent medium to another, it bends and changes direction. This is called refraction. Lenses refract light. Lenses can be convex or concave. Okay, we finished with the third mind map. Let's move on to the last mind map. Okay, this is the last mind map. This mind map is called sound. Sound is a form of mechanical energy produced by the vibration of an object, such as a string on a guitar, a drum, or even our vocal cords. Sound travels in waves through solid, liquids, and gases. It travels through air at 340 meters per second, a speed much slower than the speed of light. Reflection of sound. An echo is the reflection of sound from the surface of an obstacle. Sound takes time to bounce off the obstacle and return to our ears. So we hear both the original sound and the echo. When the original sound is reflected from walls and objects in a closed space, we hear a series of echoes. This is called reverberation. Cathedrals, gymnasiums, and indoor swimming pools are good places to hear reverberation. Qualities of sound. Intensity. Intensity depends upon the amplitude of the sound wave. If the sound is loud, the amplitude is large. If the sound is soft, the amplitude is small. Pitch. The pitch of a sound depends on the frequency of its sound waves. Pitch enables us to differentiate between the high notes and the low notes made by a musical instrument. Tone enables us to identify the source of a sound with the same frequency and intensity. For example, a guitar does not sound like a saxophone. That is because every musical instrument has a unique tone. Every person's voice is different because every voice has a unique tone. Okay, we finished with all the mind maps. Okay, see you. I hope you liked it and understood. Bye bye.